In Section 4.1, we explored Arizona's core advertising rules. Ads must be truthful and must always identify the employing broker in equal prominence. Now let's take a deeper look at how these rules apply specifically to teams and personal branding. In Arizona real estate, agents often build their own identity through logos, slogans, and team names. Branding helps differentiate you in a crowded market, but it also creates risk if consumers can't tell whether they're dealing with a licensed team or an independent brokerage. The Arizona Department of Real Estate, ADRE, has made it clear you can build your personal or team brand, but your branding must not mislead the public into thinking you are a brokerage. ARS, Paragraph 32-2153, Preventing Misleading Branding. Under ARS Paragraph 32-2153, the ADRE can discipline an agent or broker for any advertising that misleads or deceives the public. Branding issues often trigger this rule when a team name looks like a brokerage, e.g., the Valley Real Estate Company. An agent advertises under a personal LLC name without broker connection. A logo omits the broker entirely. Violation example: a Phoenix team branded itself as Smith Realty Group without including their employing broker. ADRE ruled the name misleading because the public could think it was a brokerage. Compliant example: the Smith team at Realty One Group. Team name is clear, but the brokerage is equally prominent. R428-502, broker name in equal prominence. This rule requires that the broker's name appear with equal prominence to the team or agent name in all advertising. What does equal prominence mean? Font size must be the same or nearly the same. Placement must be obvious, not hidden in a corner. Color and style must be equally visible. Example: yard sign: the Desert Dream Team in large letters with broker Realty One Group in tiny 6-point font. Yard sign: the Desert Dream Team at Realty One Group, with both names in similar size and style. Logos and slogans. Agents and teams may create personal logos and slogans, but they must not suggest independence from the broker. Logo: a mountain-shaped icon with Arizona Homes, Inc., suggests a separate brokerage. Logo: a mountain-shaped icon with Arizona Homes team at Realty One Group. Slogan: Arizona's #1 brokerage, misleading if you are not a designated broker. Slogan: Arizona's #1 choice for home selling, the Smith team at Realty One Group. Social media branding. Social media is where branding errors happen most often. Every business page, profile, or account used for real estate must identify your broker. Facebook business page must display your broker's name in the About section and cover photo. Instagram, TikTok, bio must include broker name. Example: Jane Smith, Realtor R, Realty One Group. LinkedIn, job title must connect to your employing broker. Violation. Example: an agent ran an Instagram account called IAZ Luxury Broker without identifying their actual employing broker. ADRE ruled the handle misleading. Compliant. Example: IAZ Luxury Homes, presented by the Smith team at Realty One Group. Our broker oversight of branding. Finally, remember that under R428-1103, brokers must supervise all advertising, including personal branding and team logos. Many Arizona brokerages require agents to submit logos and branding for approval before use. Why? Because if your branding misleads the public, your broker is held responsible under Arizona law. Real-world Arizona examples. 1. Violation case. A Tucson agent created a website called besthomesinarizona.com with their own LLC logo, but no broker name. ADRE issued a public order of compliance. 2. Compliant case. A Chandler team branded itself as East Valley Home Experts at Realty One Group. Their yard signs and website prominently featured both the team name and the broker's logo. ADRI cited it as a model of compliance during an audit. Key takeaway from Section 4.2. Teams and personal branding are powerful tools for standing out in the Arizona market, but they must always stay tied to your employing broker. Under ARS Paragraph 32-21553 and R4 28502, branding that suggests independence from a brokerage or hides the broker's name is misleading and non-compliant.